Hello and welcome. Today's topic is primary key. So in MS Access, what is primary key and why we are using primary key in MS Access? So primary key is a standard key feature of every database management. See, it is in here in when I put my cursor in this key option. So it is showing me one message. The field is part of the table's primary key. Okay, so primary key is a unique key or unique identity in a table. If you have unique identity in a table, so it is called primary key. So this is primary key which is unique in a table. So it so primary key of a table neither can have duplicate data nor it can be left blank while entering the data. You can't left the primary key in if you are entering data in a primary if you are entering in data in a primary key. Suppose I am entering data. See, if I am writing anything, it is automatically changing to number 3. So it cannot be blank or it cannot be duplicated. If I will write 2 here, so it will not change into 2. See, it is not changing into 2. So you can't change primary key or it is not duplicated. Okay, so primary key is a unique key which is unique in every table. So like in this table, roll number is unique. In your class, your roll number is unique. So that's why I write roll number as a primary key. If you will not insert anything in primary key, suppose I will make a new table. Okay, suppose I will make a new table. If I will write name, if I will write address. Okay, if I will save this file, see, I'm pressing Ctrl plus S and I am giving this table name XYZ. So it will show me one message that you have to enter primary key. See, although primary key isn't required, it's highly recommended. A table must have primary key for you to define relationship. Do you want to create primary key? If you will click on yes, it will give a field. It will give a field name ID with data type auto number. So it is primary key. In front of it, key is made. Okay. If you want to change primary key, if you will write roll number, so you can change this field to primary key. See, you will press right click here and click on primary key. So primary key changes from ID to roll number. You can make any field name as a primary key. Okay, so primary key is a unique key. So I told you how to set a primary key. One more time, I am creating one more table, suppose, and giving name, then giving address, then I am giving a third name, roll number. See, this time I am creating this roll number as a primary key. You don't have to, you will create by your own also. So right click here at the corner and click on primary key. Okay, so this third roll number, you made roll number as a primary key. So you can make your own primary key. Now next topic is editing table in Access. How you will edit table. So suppose I will go in. So how you will edit the table? You have to go in a particular cell and write the data there. Okay, and if you want to move on to next cell, press tab button and write whatever you want. So editing will be done in data sheet view only. Editing table will be done in data sheet view only. Okay, you can insert data, you can delete this data. Suppose go here and select this data and press right click and you can cut or delete the data. Okay, you can select any particular data and backspace you can delete the data. Okay, you can delete or you can enter the data in data sheet view. So like this you can enter the data. Next is moving a field. How you will move this field from here to here? Okay, first select the particular field, then left click there and drag it anywhere. Okay, select the particular field, select it select it from field heading, then left click there and drag it anywhere. Select any particular field, left click there and drag it anywhere. Okay, in between you want this address, I want in front, after roll number I want address, then left click there and drag it to second place. So like this you can move field. Now next is hide and unhide column. Suppose I want to hide this name column. So how I will do? I will first select this field, then right click here, click on hide column. Okay, so in hide column that particular field is hidden. Now how you will unhide? Right click in any field, right click and click on unhide. So it will show you which you want to unhide. It is hidden, so you will click this and it will unhide name. Okay,